Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel Edwin Vindanos, and for today's quick tutorial and I am going to show you guys on how to resolve if you're having an issues with your Windows 11 or Windows 10 startup time appearing to move very slowly. Kung paano ba natin yan i-fix, and without further ado, and let's go ahead. So all you have to do is to open up on the search menu. And then dito ay kailangan mo lang i-type yung control panel. And then next ay click mo lang dito yung open. So dito lang sa taas makikita mo dito yung category. So i-click mo lang yung arrow na yan. And then select mo lang dito yung large icons para makita mo lahat yung settings. So i-click mo lang yan. And then next step ay kailangan lang natin i-select dito yung power options. So click lang natin yan. And then dito sa power options, dito lang sa left side. And then next ay kailangan mo lang i-select dito yung choose what closing the net does. Okay? And then click mo lang yan. And then next step ay dito lang sa define power buttons. So kailangan mo lang i-click tong change settings that are currently unavailable. So click lang natin yan. And then next step ay dito lang sa shutdown settings. So kailangan lang natin i-check tong box na turn on past startup recommended. So, i-check yung box. And then next, i-click mo lang itong save changes. So, click lang natin yan. Right? So, ang next solution na pwede natin gawin. So, dito lang ulit sa search menu. And then, kailangan mo lang i-type dito yung CMD. Or ito yung tinatawag na command prompt. So, kailangan mo lang mag-right click. And then, select mo lang dito yung run as administrator. If you receive user account control, and then click mo lang dito yung yes. So dito sa administrator command prompt ay kailangan lang natin i-enter yung command keyword na power cfg space / hibernate on. Okay? So kailangan mo lang i-type yung power cfg space / hibernate on, and then press mo lang yung enter. And then next step ay once nagawa mo na dito, and then close lang natin tong CMD. And then next solution na pwede natin gawin. So dito lang sa search menu, and then type mo lang dito yung settings. And then click mo lang dito yung open. And then next step ay kailangan mo lang select dito yung app. So click lang natin yan. And then next dito lang sa installed apps. So click mo tong installed apps. Okay, so dito sa installed apps ay kailangan mo lang i-select dito yung mga apps na hindi mo ginagamit. So those apps that have not used. Okay, so kailangan mo lang i-select dito, and then next ay kailangan mo lang click yung tatlong dot, and then kailangan mo lang i-uninstall. Right, so once na-uninstall mo na siya, and then close lang natin. So ang next step ay, so dito lang sa taskbar, so kailangan mo lang mag-right click. And then select mo lang dito yung task manager. So click mo lang yan. And then dito sa task manager, and then select mo lang dito yung startup app. So click mo lang yan. And then dito sa startup app, so dito ay kailangan mo lang i-disable yung mga apps na hindi rin ginagamit. Right? So select mo lang siya, and then kailangan naka-disable siya. Okay? So ang next solution na pwede natin gawin, so close lang natin to. And then dito lang ulit sa search menu. And then, kailangan mo lang i-type dito yung CMD, or ito yung tinatawag na command prompt. So, kailangan mo lang mag-right click. And then, select mo lang dito yung run as administrator. If you receive user account control, and then click mo lang dito yung yes. So, dito sa administrator command prompt, ay kailangan lang natin i-enter yung command keyword na sfc space / scan now. So, in all small letter lahat, and then, yung /scan now ay one word po yan. And then press mo na yung enter. And then makikita mo na dito na beginning system scan. This process will take some time. Beginning verification space of system scan. So kailangan lang natin hintayin na makomplete ang verifications into 100%. Alright, so makikita mo na dito na verifications 100% complete. So ang next step, so close lang natin tong CMD. And then dito lang sa start menu, and then kailangan lang natin mag-restart. Okay, so ganoon na po kasimple on how to fix startup time extremely slow in Windows 11. And please don't forget to like this video, subscribe to my channel for more quality content. Thank you guys, and see you in my next tutorial.